This is a video by Richmond. Today we are working on a Saturn Ion. This happens to be a 2006 model. And what we're doing today is we are removing the window regulator and motor. First thing we're going to do is remove the door panel. Now we want to come over here, and right in the handle pull area we will see two Phillips head screws, and we need to remove those now. Now once we get those screws out of there, we want to pop this piece out. And now we can get at our electrical connector. This is a little difficult with one hand. Alright. So we got that all out. Next thing we're going to do is pop this little piece off right above the door panel right here. Take that right out of the way. Whee! All gone. Now we got one Phillips head screw right down here in the corner. Now, why would they put it down here like that, huh? Why would they do that? Alright. Now that we got that screw out, we can pop our panel off. We got one electrical connector in the back. Okay, door panel is all off. So, next thing we're going to do is remove this weather barrier. Oh boy. Now over here, you can either cut around this piece right here or take the Phillips screws off to remove it, and then you can get that weather deflector out of there. There's one little clip on this electrical connector we want to remove to get our there it is. Next thing we got to do is we have to disconnect the window from the regulator. And on the Saturn, it's a couple of plastic pieces that hold it on. So we need to get the window down to access those. And if your motor is operational, hook your switch back up and get the window down. If it's not, you're going to have to disconnect all your regulator bolts and motor and then slide it down so you can get at it. Or you could get them right up here at the top with the window in the up position. But we're going to bring the window down and work from there. Okay, now here's one of them right here we can get at real easy. So we'll press the retainer in right there. Tripods on my knee here. Okay, good. Now the other one is a little tougher. So we're going to move our window again. Alright, so the window's all the way up to the up position. And here is the left one right here. So we're going to press in that tab and hit the metal sash over to the left. Now before I move that left one over, I stuck a door stop in here to hold the window in the up position. And if you look down there now, you can see that the metal sash has moved to the left of the white retainer on that left one, and the right one looks identical right there. So now there's nothing holding the regulator in. So the next thing we're going to do is lower the window down a little bit to make the regulator a little bit more compact. There we go. You can see that, and look, everything is compact here. So that will help to remove it. So the next thing we're going to do is to remove this 10mm bolt right here and loosen these 4 10mm on the motor and the regulator right now. Next thing we need to do is to remove the electrical connector from the motor. And it's a little tight right there. Okay, 4 bolts are loose. This one's removed. So there shouldn't be anything holding it in. See how easy that made it by compressing the regulator down there like that? See how compact that is? Denso. Ooh, watch out for that grease. Grease didn't get us this time. But there is your motor and regulator all out. So that's all there is to removing a window motor and regulator from a Saturn Ion.